Today, we challenge the widespread belief that joint damage is permanent and untreatable. What if there were natural, science-backed ways to improve joint health and reduce pain? Stay tuned as we explore 7 powerful supplements that could change the way you think about joint repair forever. Welcome to Levitas. Can joints be repaired? Many people believe joint damage is irreversible, but the truth is more hopeful. While severe damage like advanced arthritis cannot be fully reversed, joints have remarkable potential for repair and regeneration when supported properly. Cartilage, ligaments, and synovial fluid can improve in quality with the right nutrition, lifestyle, and supplementation. The body continuously remodels joint tissue, and with the right building blocks, this process can be optimized to reduce pain, restore mobility, and slow degeneration. Understanding how to support joint repair is key to maintaining long-term joint health and function. Here are our joint supplements. Did you know most people ignore number 7? 1. Collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body and a critical building block of joint cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. It provides structural support and tensile strength that keeps joints flexible and resilient. As we age, natural collagen production declines, leading to weaker connective tissue and joint discomfort. Supplementing with collagen peptides or hydrolyzed collagen provides the amino acids needed to support new collagen synthesis and repair damaged joint tissue. Clinical studies show that collagen supplements can reduce joint pain and improve function in people with osteoarthritis and athletes experiencing joint stress. Collagen works by stimulating chondrocytes, the cells responsible for cartilage production, helping to rebuild cartilage matrix and improve joint lubrication. Combining collagen with vitamin C amplifies this effect since vitamin C is essential for collagen formation. Moreover, collagen promotes skin elasticity and bone strength, making it a multi-benefit supplement for overall musculoskeletal health. Regular collagen intake supports joint flexibility, reduces inflammation, and helps maintain healthy cartilage, making it a cornerstone supplement for anyone seeking joint repair and protection. 2. Glycine. Glycine is a non-essential amino acid but plays a crucial role in joint health as a key component of collagen molecules. Approximately 1/3 of collagen's amino acid profile is glycine, making it indispensable for collagen synthesis and joint tissue repair. Adequate glycine intake supports the body's ability to produce strong, flexible connective tissue needed for healthy joints. Besides its structural role, glycine exhibits powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect joint tissues from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, which are common contributors to joint degeneration. Glycine also supports cartilage regeneration by enhancing the production of proteoglycans, which help maintain cartilage hydration and shock absorption. Dietary sources rich in glycine include bone broth, meat, fish, and dairy, but supplementation may be necessary to achieve therapeutic levels, especially in aging adults or those with joint issues. Glycine also promotes muscle relaxation and improves sleep quality, which supports recovery and overall joint function. Incorporating glycine supplementation along with collagen enhances joint repair by providing the essential building blocks and biochemical environment needed to rebuild and maintain healthy connective tissue. 3. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring glycosaminoglycan found abundantly in synovial fluid, the lubricant inside your joints. It acts like a shock absorber and cushion, reducing friction between joint surfaces during movement. With age or joint damage, hyaluronic acid levels decrease, leading to stiffer, less flexible joints and increased pain. Supplementing with hyaluronic acid can restore the viscosity and elasticity of synovial fluid, improving joint lubrication and mobility. Clinical research shows that oral or injectable hyaluronic acid reduces symptoms of osteoarthritis by decreasing pain and improving joint function, especially in knees and hips. Hyaluronic acid also helps stimulate the production of collagen and proteoglycans, supporting cartilage repair. In addition to lubricating joints, hyaluronic acid plays a role in tissue hydration and healing, making it beneficial for maintaining the overall integrity of joint cartilage. Hyaluronic acid supplements derived from bacterial fermentation or rooster combs are widely available and considered safe with minimal side effects. Maintaining adequate hyaluronic acid levels in the joints is essential for preserving smooth, pain-free movement and slowing joint degeneration, making it a critical supplement for joint repair protocols. 4. AKG. Alpha-ketoglutarate, or AKG, is a naturally occurring molecule involved in cellular energy production and nitrogen metabolism. Recently, AKG has gained attention for its potential benefits in joint health and tissue repair. AKG supports collagen synthesis by providing the necessary energy and substrates for the enzymatic reactions involved in building connective tissue. Beyond its role in collagen production, AKG exhibits anti-inflammatory properties by reducing inflammatory cytokines linked to joint degeneration. It also promotes bone metabolism, supporting the maintenance of bone density and strength around the joints. This dual effect on both cartilage and bone makes AKG a promising supplement for comprehensive joint repair. Animal studies suggest AKG supplementation may improve joint function and reduce cartilage breakdown, but human data is emerging. AKG also supports muscle health, improving overall joint stability by enhancing the surrounding musculature. Taking AKG alongside collagen and vitamin C can create a synergistic effect, maximizing joint repair potential. By supporting cellular energy and reducing inflammation, AKG helps optimize the environment necessary for rebuilding damaged joint tissue. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential antioxidant with a crucial role in collagen synthesis and joint tissue repair. Without adequate vitamin C, the body cannot effectively form or stabilize collagen fibers, making it indispensable for maintaining healthy cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. Vitamin C protects joint tissues from oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals produced during inflammation or tissue damage. Chronic oxidative stress accelerates joint degradation, so maintaining sufficient vitamin C levels supports long-term joint integrity. Numerous studies show that vitamin C supplementation can reduce symptoms of joint diseases by enhancing collagen formation and reducing inflammatory markers. It also supports immune function, which is critical in autoimmune joint conditions. Good dietary sources include citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli, but supplementation may be necessary for those with increased joint damage or poor dietary intake. Vitamin C also enhances the absorption of minerals like iron and supports bone health, making it a foundational nutrient in any joint repair strategy. Combining vitamin C with collagen supplementation significantly boosts the body's ability to regenerate damaged joint tissue and improve overall joint function. 6. Magnesium. Magnesium is a vital mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those essential for joint health. It supports muscle relaxation and reduces muscle cramps around joints, which can alleviate joint pain and stiffness. Magnesium also plays a role in bone metabolism by influencing calcium balance and promoting healthy bone density, critical for joint stability. Deficiency in magnesium is linked to increased inflammation and higher pain sensitivity in joint conditions like arthritis. Furthermore, magnesium aids in energy production necessary for tissue repair and supports the synthesis of proteins like collagen. It helps regulate inflammatory processes, potentially slowing joint degeneration. Dietary sources include nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and dark chocolate, but supplementation can be beneficial for those with joint pain or inflammation. Maintaining optimal magnesium levels helps improve joint comfort, reduce inflammation, and enhance recovery, making it a valuable addition to a joint health regimen. 7. Glucosamine. Glucosamine is a natural compound found in healthy cartilage and a popular supplement for joint repair. It serves as a precursor for glycosaminoglycans, essential components of the cartilage matrix that maintain joint cushioning and elasticity. Research suggests glucosamine supplementation may reduce joint pain and improve function by supporting cartilage repair and reducing inflammation. It is especially helpful in osteoarthritis, where cartilage degradation is prominent. Glucosamine stimulates the production of proteoglycans and collagen, reinforcing the structural integrity of joints. It may also inhibit enzymes that break down cartilage, preserving joint health. Commonly available as glucosamine sulfate or glucosamine hydrochloride, it is best taken alongside other joint-supporting supplements like chondroitin, collagen, and vitamin C for synergistic effects. While not a quick fix, regular glucosamine use over weeks to months can help slow joint damage progression and improve mobility, making it a cornerstone supplement in long-term joint care. In conclusion, joints possess a surprising ability to repair and regenerate when provided with the right nutrition, lifestyle, and supplementation. Key supplements like collagen and glycine provide essential building blocks for cartilage and connective tissue repair, while hyaluronic acid restores joint lubrication and mobility. AKG supports cellular energy and reduces inflammation, optimizing the repair environment. Vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis and antioxidant protection, and magnesium aids muscle relaxation and bone health. Finally, glucosamine helps rebuild cartilage and reduce inflammation. Together, these supplements form a powerful foundation for improving joint health and function. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.